All right, y'all, let me show you the difference foam makes. It's gonna make your slime a lot more fluffier, sometimes stretchier, but I like fluffy slime, but I still want it to feel like slime. So this is the way that it looked when I bought it. All right, and I bought both of these from the Dollar Tree. Okay, and these are the little things that came with. You don't have to put them in there, but this one has half a pack in it. That one has a full pack in it. That really doesn't make a difference, but this is the slime before the shaving cream. So hold on. Okay, so you can see it better. It's got a really good texture, stretches well, doesn't like break apart. You got some slime that just rip apart, and it smells pretty. It smells like slime. It's really good. All right, but check out the difference with the shaving cream. Same slime, but baby, this one feels so much better. I wish y'all could see it. Oh my gosh, it is way more stretchier. Now, to me, it's a little sticky, but it was sticky before. I don't know what I had did to that slime. Is this the same? Okay, that's good. Sometimes when we play with, I forget the word they call it, but it gets easier. But yeah, this one, I love everything about it. It's just like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like fluffy, chewy bubblegum. I hear the crunch. Yeah, that snap. Now that could be the things that's in it. I don't know that this is the slime. All right, let's go back to this one. Because it has the same sound. Now it wants to be a little bit, yeah. So you see? So let's see. Okay. Again, this is the one that was bought from the store. No shaving cream. I like how it comes packaged too. So $125. This is the one I added Equate Foaming Shaving Cream to. So let's see. Oh yeah, that's a lot faster than the other one. You see that? Yeah. Yeah, this one is my favorite. I like them both, but this one is my favorite because it just feels great. I don't know if you're a slime person, you really like it. I'm a slime person, but I don't like. I've tried to make slime before; it's too messy, and I don't like sticky slime. But I do like fluffy slime, and I don't like putty slime either. I want it to be slime, but this is perfect. Yeah, that's great. So I might add some more stuff to it, like I got this little powder stuff I might add to it. Let's try it. Alright, we're not going to do the purple because clearly the slime is purple. I want to be able to see it. So we got orange. Pink might be pretty. Green and green. I think I'm going to go with the orange because I have an orange shirt. Now this, my friends, is not... This is some stuff you're supposed to make a ball with. But I'm going to try it in the slime because that's why I bought it. So let me see if I can show y'all. Hold on. Okay. Uh-oh. I done rigged it up here, so let's see. What is it gonna do? Oop, that's a bit much. Well, okay. This is really just for texture. I don't know if it's gonna keep the color or not, but we'll see. Oh yeah, that's some good stuff. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit more. If you're not a slime person, what makes it so amazingly satisfying is the texture. feel it. I can see a little bit of orange. I'm really feeling that. I like it. Still a little sticky, but it's cool. Alright, so put this one back in there. I don't know what my other top is. I can't. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, it's a little bit. It's too big for my container now. Look, I made it too puffy. Okay, well. And this don't really fit without it. I'm gonna have to find a new container. But I want to put some of that in here too. Alright, let's see. Kind of want to do the purple on this one, but then I don't want to leave this open either. But I have another slime I can add that to. So let's do this one. It's really hard to stretch, but I don't know. I can't believe this video 8 minutes. That's awesome. Yeah, I like that. Dollar Tree. That's it. Slime time is over.